There are thousands of desk lamps for sale, for you and me to buy at any time of the day, ranging from run-of-the-mill to extravagant, from dirt cheap to very expensive. Desk lamps galore for each person's tastes, even mine. So why the heck should I build one myself? I was fixing my youngest daughter's bike. Her headlamp was broken. I saw the old battered lamp and thought, I can turn this into a cool desk lamp. Not a strange thing to think, right? Although it was broken beyond fixing. So I bought a new headlamp, took the inside electrics from it and started working. Within 10 minutes I changed my mind. It's not going to be a desk lamp, it's going to be something else. Why? I don't know. That's how my brain is wired, I think. While making a thing, a story unfolds in my mind. Maybe not a story at first, more like a visual, an image of what it can become. I'm a bit different. I have a deviant brain. I know that now. I don't mind it anymore. When people visit one of my exhibitions or visit my studio, they seem to be amazed by how my mind works. My normal turns out to be deviant to others. long time I've struggled with this mind of mine. It flies like a butterfly through ideas and projects. My mind invents, creates and spews ideas non-stop. I often wake up in the middle of the night with a solution to a problem I sometimes didn't know existed. Cool? Yes. Annoying? Yes, sometimes. Up to roughly 10 years ago, I really struggled with my creativity. I couldn't seem to channel it in a positive or productive way. I've tried doing ordinary office jobs and failed every time. More than 10 years ago, however, I started making Assemblage sculptures with old materials. From day one, something clicked. Pretty soon people began to discover my art and even started to buy it. My work began traveling the world. For the first time, my deviant brain got me somewhere. The thing that held me back all those years suddenly brought a modest success. My brain. For the first time in my life, I was truly happy in my work. This started my appreciation for how my brain works, accepting being different, accepting my deviant mind. So I now embrace the impulse to deviate from plans or ideas, knowing it will sometimes lead to unexpected, cool results.
Hello.